Oh, football! Genuine leather.
Genuine.
Nice.
Genuine Fiki football.
Sit down.
Genuine leather.
Sit down so your grandma can
Oh,
get
and
pictures.
some Italian salad dressing.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we'll actually have to play that.
It's about to get real interesting in here, huh?
Oh, I see a theme here.
Oh.
Blows mini marshmallows up 20 feet.
We have mini marshmallows, right?
I brought some.
Hey, Dad.
Your pig's going down.
I need ya.
So what?